Looking to sell your house in Maricopa fast and without any hassle? Look no further than Kevin Buys Houses, your trusted local cash buyer with over 2 decades of experience in the real estate industry. We understand that selling a house can be a daunting and stressful process, especially when you're facing difficult circumstances such as foreclosure, divorce, or inherited property. That's why we're here to help, no matter what your situation may be. Forget about the traditional real estate process with its tedious paperwork, unreliable buyers, and never-ending repairs. With Kevin Buys Houses, we make selling your house as easy as possible. Simply visit our website and provide us with some basic information about your property, and we'll give you a fair all-cash offer within just 24 hours. That's right, no waiting around for months for a buyer to come through, and no dealing with the headaches of bank financing. And if your property is in rough shape, no need to worry, we'll take care of all the necessary repairs ourselves. Our goal is to make your life easier, which is why we pride ourselves on being a reliable and trustworthy cash buyer that can get cash in your pocket in as little as 7 days. So if you're ready to get out from under the stress of your Maricopa property, give us a call at 480-650-2709 or visit kevinbuyshouses.com today. Let us show you how selling your house can be a fast and hassle-free experience when you work with Kevin Buys Houses.